Hey guys, I'm back with another very popular Mumbai street style Schezwan Tawa Pulao which tastes best all by itself also but will still have that burst of all the flavors in your mouth. So it's a must watch video for all the street food lovers out there. So let's get on to the recipe. So for this I've pre-boiled my rice. I've used 1.5 cups of Basmati rice. I've cooked that with some salt and I've not overcooked it. I've cooked it up to like 80 to 90%. It still has some resistance. That's how it should be. If you want, you can also use any leftover rice. That also works best for this tawa pulao. We'll keep this aside for now. Next up, I'm using this big tawa because I want to make that perfect street style tawa pulao. But in case if you don't have this, you can simply use regular pan or your woks. In this, I'm heating 2 tablespoons of butter along with 2 tablespoons of oil. Once that is heated, I'm going to add 1 onion which is finely chopped and cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they are slightly tender and becomes slight golden brown in color. We do not want to make it very dark. I cook the onions for almost 3 to 4 minutes and then I'm adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. If you want, you can also add finely chopped ginger and garlic. That also tastes very good with this pulao. Cook that as well. And then I'm adding all the vegetables. So next I'm adding 1 capsicum which is finely chopped, half a carrot which is finely chopped, 1/4 cup of peas. So here I'm using the frozen peas. If you want, you can use the fresh boiled peas also. Mix that and again cook for about 2 to 3 more minutes or until they are slightly soft. But do not overcook them. We want their slight crunchiness. Mix and then I'm adding tomatoes. So here I'm adding 2 tomatoes again finely chopped and cook that as well for another 3 to 4 minutes or until the tomatoes are nice, tender and juicy. Because this is the main ingredient and key ingredient which will give the base and juiciness to the tawa pulao. So you can add more tomatoes if you wish to. And I feel the tomatoes are soft enough. Next I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. But make sure not to add too much of salt because we have also added salt in the rice also. Next goes in a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji Masala. You can use any store-bought Pav Bhaji Masala. Some fresh coriander, a teaspoon of Kasuri Methi. And then I'm using the most important ingredient, that is I'm adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of Schezwan Chutney. You can also use the Schezwan Chutney, Schezwan sauce, any other sauce whichever you like, that is garlic sauce. Cook that as well for another 2 more minutes. The masala is cooking nicely, so at this point I'm adding little water and then cook so that the masalas don't burn. You can check out my homemade Schezwan Chutney, Schezwan sauce. I'll give you the link in the description box below. So now mash the masalas a bit with the back of the spoon. You can see it's nicely done. At this stage, we are going to add in potatoes. I'm adding 1 boiled and cubed potatoes. Cook it. So this base is ready and now we are going to add in the earlier boiled rice. Along with some slit green chilies. And mix. So now toss the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's nicely coated with the masala base. It becomes masaledar and the rice also cooks fully. Keep mixing and then I'm also adding some lemon juice and some fresh coriander. Give a last few tosses. Do not overcook the rice, else will it tend to become mushy. So you can see this masaledar pulao is almost ready, but there's one more thing I would like to do, last but not the least. Let's make a space here. And I'm going to add a knob of butter. Yes, this is the most important thing guys, and this will give nice shine juiciness, moisture and flavor to the tawa pulao. Mix, 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 and that's it guys. Your homemade street style Schezwan tawa pulao is ready to dig into. You can see how flavorful and colorful it's looking. You can enjoy this as it is also without any papad or raita. I'm sure you guys will love it. So if you enjoyed watching my recipe today, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.